Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you're welcome. So today's video I'm going to be showing you a natural homemade remedy that would help you to get rid of skin tag, skin warts and skin mole. Alright guys, so let me tell you some of the causes of skin tag. Dry skin, obviously. If your skin is dry, that is why you tend to see that skin tag actually comes out in the places that are dry, like the neck, like the face. That's for those people who have dry skin. Now this remedy is just so to kill those skin tag and get rid of it. And after you have gotten rid of the skin tag, you always have to moisturize your skin. Okay, you moisturize so that you don't have further skin tag or warts. Okay, so let's dive into the video, and don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And alright, so to remove skin tag, you should have garlic in your kitchen, alright, because garlic has anti-inflammatory and antifungal, antiviral and antiseptic property from allicin. Allicin helps to kill the bacteria causing acne. It also helps to reduce swelling and inflammations, and it improves blood circulations on the skin. This also allows the skin to receive more nutrients. It helps to kill up skin warts, skin tag and skin mole. Apple cider vinegar contains various vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B3 to promote healthy skin. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar helps to balance the skin pH level, clearing the skin from sunburns. It also helps to remove fine lines and pigmentations, and it helps in killing skin warts, tag and skin moles. Baking soda is an excellent remedy for pimples. It also helps for blackheads and acne. It is a mild exfoliant that helps to remove dead skins and clear your pores. It does this while help dry out and heal existing acne. Baking soda also contains antibacterial property which prevents breakout, and it also help with the help of garlic. It's going to help to get rid of skin tag, skin wart and also skin mole. Alright, so how you're going to prepare this, guys, you're going to take some from this garlic. So I'm going to peel the garlic. Alright, now I would have to press this. Alright, so here's the garlic, and to mix this up very well, okay, you have to put in baking soda, about 1 tablespoon, and then you put in your unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar. It has to be organic, okay? You're not going to dilute this. Well, depending on the quantity of the baking soda and that of the garlic, you'll be putting just 1 cup. And then you stir it all up together. And you mix it. Now for this treatment, you can actually keep it, store it for some while. Okay, now your using this treatment would help your skin tag die off in 3 days. Okay, gonna apply this, guys. You're just gonna take a little portion of this and then you're just gonna apply it on the part in which you have skin tag. I obviously don't have not even one skin tag on my skin, but of course I know this thing, so showing you how you're going to get rid of it. Okay, so you apply it this way. You can see it's not going to fall off because the consistency is not too liquid for it to fall off. Okay, now if you have more than one skin tag, you will be needing to apply this. All right, skin tag or what, you just apply it there. Okay, now you can also apply it on your face. Okay, but you have to be mindful not to apply everywhere except the place in which you have the skin tag, because it's gonna burn the skin tag, and with a constant application, 3 days constant application of this remedy is going to help you to remove all of the skin tag, skin wart, skin mole, and that's it. Okay, so if you have like too many of them and it's not something you can actually put like this, then you can take this treatment and then you can just spread it around that place like that. Alright, so after that, then you can actually leave it for it to dry. Okay, or you can leave it for some hours and then you repeat this treatment 3 times just 3 times, like 3 days, and all of your skin tag is going to be gone. After you've actually removed the treatment and wash, then you can apply oil on that part to prevent the skin that wasn't affected by skin tag from burning. Okay, so because it's actually going to burn the skin tag and it's going to kill it, and the skin tag is going to fall. That's what this treatment is going to do. So you can store it for as long as you want to use it, 3 days, and your skin tag is gone. So that's basically it, guys. Use that and be consistent with it. At most 3 days, you see that a whole lot of improvement is going to be on your skin. Your skin tag is going to begin to die off and it's going to fall. Yeah, so if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye and mwah.